Namaste all. This is Vishnu Reddy from PANI Deals and Tech Labs. Today we are going to learn how to create and verify digital certificates uh, very simply in a simpler way using Pabbly Connect, NextView, Google Sheets, and you can use Spread Simple. So actually let me explain how it comes out. Okay, so initially you will get the data from users into Google Sheet. So you can use Google Forms, otherwise you can use any other forms which integrates with Google Sheets. Otherwise you can enter the data manually here. Okay. So once the data comes out here and I will trigger Public Connect based upon a particular column, and then it generates uh, unique uh, image with given input data. Okay, just like this. So we have given the template in next wave and we are passing the data. So once it goes there, it comes out like this for each user, and then we are going to insert the data into this particular Google Sheet. Okay, so that you can verify it on the website, and then Spread Simple takes this data and show it as on the website. So this is how, and actually, yeah, we will send the email to the particular user. Otherwise, you can use any other solution like Telegram, WhatsApp, or any other channel which is connected with Public Connect to send issue these certificates. And also, meanwhile, actually, we are going to store this particular certificate in Google Drive also. So let me explain the flow. Okay. So before diving into the details, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please comment, share your feedback, share to your friends in circle. Thank you so much. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any newly recorded videos or content from our channel. Thank you so much. Let's dive in. So uh, it looks like this. This is the starting point of our workflow. So here actually we are collecting the data. So from you can use Google Forms, otherwise any other web form which integrates with Google Sheets. Once that arrives, actually we are triggering based upon this particular column, generate column. We have done this because we want to verify the data. Otherwise, if you don't need that, you can just trigger the uh, data on any particular column. Like if you just want to run the automation based upon the given data by any user. Okay. So here actually we are getting data till branch, and then we are uh, adding this data like this is internship ID, and then this personalization, and here we have this generate column. Okay, once we click on type yes, that is something you can type any other word also. So once this T column is filled, so the public connect automation will trigger. Okay, so these are the steps here. So it will trigger from here. Okay, uh, you will capture the data just like this. Whatever we have in the Google Sheet, it will appear here. Okay, and then actually we want to generate some unique certificate ID for each certificate generated here. So for that, actually we are taking up the date format, which is like we have a field called issue date, like when we are issuing the internship certificate, otherwise completion certificate, something like that. So there we are picking up that, and then uh, we are extracting the particular format like YYMMDD. Our plan is to have a 10 digit, 16 digit or 17, 18 digit alphanumeric unique certificate ID. So for that, actually, for first 6 digits, we have taken up this six digits from the date. So issue date. And so it's like it was like uh, 2022 on November 15th. So we have accepted like 22 11 15. Okay, and then this, yeah, this is completely free task given by Pabbly. That is why I love Pabbly. That there are a lot of very useful tools inside Pabbly which are very let's say useful and easy to use. At the same time, they are free. It's like yeah, gold in automation. So especially the trigger is always free. Okay, however you pick it up, and then this free internal task, and we have one more which is recently introduced by Pabbly, that is code by Pabbly. By using this module, you can run simple code. Uh, they have started with the JavaScript, so I have used some JavaScript code here. So you can use some code to run here. So here actually I'm using to create some alphanumeric 10 digit alphanumeric random string so that I can use that in certificate. So in that case, I have written this code. I think you can use ChatGPT, otherwise Stack Overflow to grab this particular code. Yes, so I used that I want to have small alphabets and numbers. So from there, actually, I'm generating a random number, and uh, at last, I'm generating a random 10-digit alphanumeric string like this. Okay, then so this is another part, and the last actually, I want to have a counter at the end of the certificate ID. So here actually I'm using counter started with the 000 and increases by one. Okay, so like this. This is also, as you guessed, this is also free task given by Pabbly. Okay, so enjoy that. And then actually see, so here I have generated the certificate ID. Next is actually I'm going to next view, and there I'm going to use a predefined template, and I'm going to pass the data, and I'm generating the certificate. Okay, on uh, like split seconds. Okay, in split seconds. So let me go to the template here. So I'm not going to design that for you, but here, but that is also very much easy and very intuitive. So it's like we can do a lot of things here also. You can generate image, GIF, videos also. I can do personalization also. So you can use it anywhere. And here I'm using this. I'm using this particularly for one case actually. I wanted to generate and uh, include the QR code in certificates, and I have tried several ways. As you guess, like I used Switchy, but Switchy does not support QR code in the API, and I tried Short.io. That is one another free short link and bio QR code tool, but that also sends the raw uh, image format, QR image, so which is not uh, feasible to extract image file URL in Pabbly Connect. So that was also not successful. Then I tried SQR QR generator. I bought that for this particular purpose, but there also actually it is giving the output as SVG file. They are passing the URL, but in SVG only. Google Doc, I tried to embed that in Google Docs, but that was not supporting Google, SVG. So then I thought to try, let's try next view. Then I actually surprised actually, not surprised, yeah, surprised because there is inbuilt QR code option in this next view. It's like if you pass uh, QR URL something like that, it will generate the QR code automatically. Okay, so it's like you're getting this option very useful. So here actually I'm passing this data ID and then date, okay, and then this summary is there. So in this actually I'm passing each and every components which are available defined in the variables. like name, issue date, all ticket, whatever you need. Okay, so with this actually I'm designing this experience and giving a template name, and these are variables. Okay, and then these things that you can do it yourself, very easy, intuitive. And if you need help, yeah, please contact me. So like this I have created template and saved it, and then here I came and I gave my credentials, whatever that authentication things for next view. Okay, that you can yeah, you can get in next view. So then have the automatic, it will automatically sync the templates there. Otherwise you can click on the refresh, so it will come up here. Then whatever the fields, variables defined there in the particular template, those and all will be appearing here. So I have mapped these data from the given Google Sheet trigger. Okay, from here. So then after that, actually here one the tricky part, like where I want to create QR code for the URL. So for this, actually I have created a spread simple website using Google Sheets. Okay, there I have a column for this particular URL. I will show. So in that actually I'm creating this data. Whenever I insert new certificate data, it will automatically create one particular page for that dynamically. So I have given that particular process like this, and there whatever I have created earlier, like a date, then 10 digit, 10 characters of a string, a random alphanumeric string, then the counter. I passed it. That is like certificate ID. So it will be like my URL slash the certificate ID and the data. So once it is done, it will create one image experience for us. That's like personal one. So you can go and check it out. It looks like this. Okay. So once that is done, then I'm going to insert the data into issued uh, sheet. I have created especially for this certification issued. Okay. Here I'm inserting the data. I can even insert it within this particular sheet only, like in the submitted. I just created in another Google Sheets for this, but you can use second sheet here. You can click here and I can create and use that. So Pabbly will do that. Uh, okay. So once this is there, actually I'm passing entire data again, and I can update in details as this. Actually, this is to present the data in a beautiful way in spread simple, like in readable format and all. So I clubbing the information available from there here. So you can do the personalization here, like you can use some strong those are also. So I did not do that completely, but this is how it works. Okay, and then once this is done, it will insert the data, the same data given here, like a certification URL like this. So I'm inserting into issued, certificate issued. So here I'm inserting that certificate URL and image which is generated in uh, uh, this one next view. Okay, then I'm uploading this particular file into Google Drive so that I can refer it later, this folder. Okay, so okay, so I am inserting here, and then I'm sending the email using Gmail. So the here also I have authenticated, so I'm sending the email to any given person, otherwise whoever submitted the form, I'm sending them with subject, email, and this image as attachment. Okay, I can directly attach as PNG, and yeah, this is image format, so I'm sending that directly. So this is how it works, and we can see that in reality. So let me just update that. So here there is no certificate generated right now. Here we have this submitted. Okay, so and yes, it works instantly for any number of certificates. So I can give yes and then yes. So it should be generating them automatically, and they should be appearing here. Yes. So yes. So if you scan this QR code, it will come to this particular URL. It's like uh, this URL. It is generated here. So I'm inserting every time certificate is generated. Actually, I'm inserting. So okay, I think it is taking time to refresh. Yeah, actually, spread symbol is sometimes taking time for what say syncing. So this is how it looks like. So I am given this particular thing. Okay, uh, like this, like whatever I have details passed, you can make it as bold, something like that. So I can use HTML formatting within Pabbly to send store it in Google Sheets, which is represented in spread simple like this. And then yeah, I can send a image here, and then yes, name, badges, and these details. So it's like I'm generating a certificate digitally, and then that can be verified through QR code on my website. So earlier I have used Google Docs and WordPress, and then I found this simpler solution, that is the next wave to replace Google Docs, and then Spread Simple to replace WordPress. So I hope this helps you and your business. And if you need more customization, you can contact me directly on Facebook, otherwise on multiple channels on my website and all. So everything is mentioned in my YouTube video description. Okay. So I'm a public consultant. Yeah, you can hire me and my team anytime. We are yeah working on several custom apps also, and yeah, we'll make them available free for most of the cases. And even if you are a SaaS founder or you need a custom app for your uh, application, you can contact us. We can build custom applications also. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it, and please share your comments and share me your feedback so that I can improve it further. And if you have any questions regarding the same, you can ask. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, this is the workflow. So simple 7-step workflow, and among these actually 3 tasks are free. Okay, so you guess even if you generate a lot of certificates in this regard, you are using only 4 or 5 tasks only, 4 tasks only. So that's actually this is what I like in I love in Pabbly Connect. So hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to get Pabbly Connect, I have link below in the description. Please use my link, otherwise contact me. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. And do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for further updates from us. Thank you so much.